Hi everyone, welcome to the second video in our video series. I hope all of you are doing great, staying safe and healthy. I'm also doing great. It's been a great week for me, very busy. Okay, today I'm very excited because we have some beautiful collections in Malmal cotton coming up. Okay, and the one that I'm wearing is a Malmal cotton. Okay, and you can see how beautiful and pretty it is. There is a beautiful print of a lady on the border, and this is how the body of the sari is. Okay, and you can also see the beautiful pallu. It has a beautiful lady design. See how pretty it is. Very pretty. So unfortunately there was a slight damage in the front portion of the sari where the front pleats come, right? It's actually not that visible. Okay, but it didn't feel right to sell the sari, so I decided to keep it for myself. Okay, so yeah, we have some very pretty collections in Malmal cotton today, so let's go ahead and get started. This is sari number 1, and this is a black Malmal cotton sari. You can see it has beautiful designs in green, white, and this is really very pretty and unique. If you can see in the video, I'll show you. So this is the pallu. Okay, very intricate designs. If you can see, these are all block printed. Okay, and this is the body, and this is the pallu, as I showed you earlier, right? So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is how it would actually look. Okay, so this is sari number 1 in black, and very pretty Malmal cotton sari, and the pallu is like this. You can see, very pretty, very unique. Okay, and so if you want to see the design up close, this is how it is, and this is the pallu. Okay, this is sari number 1, and this the design that you see right here, it goes all over the body of the sari, and only the pallu has this kind of design. Okay, so it is very pretty. If you like black, this is a perfect sari to go with. Okay, this is sari number 1, and this is priced at $45. Okay, $45, and this is also uploaded in my Etsy store, and please go ahead and check it out. Check out the Etsy store. You will find the collections right there uploaded. The pictures will be uploaded. Okay, so this is sari number 1. This is the sari. Okay, a black color, and this is the blouse piece. So this is how it would actually go with the blouse piece. You can also pair it with a white one. As you can see, I am wearing a white crop top, so you can pair it with that as well. Okay, so this is sari number 1, priced at $45. Let's go to sari number 2. This is sari number 2, and this is also a Malmal cotton. Okay, and this is how the sari is. Okay, and this design is all over the sari, and it is not any different all over the body of the sari. Okay, it's completely same kind of design until the end of the sari. So this is how it is. Okay, and when you drape it, it would actually look like this. The pallu is also same design. Okay, you can see. Okay, so this is sari number 2. Again, a very pretty, very beautiful Malmal cotton sari. Very nice actually. You can see the mix of gray, or grayish black, white and red combination of designs. Okay, so this is how it is. So this sari doesn't come with blouse piece. Okay, this is not provided, or we don't provide a blouse piece with this sari. Okay, So pico and fall is done, and the price is again $45. Okay, so we've uploaded the same in the Etsy store. You can go ahead and check it out. And yeah, if any questions, please contact me in Messenger or the number provided below in the description of the video. This is sari number 3. Okay, a black, white and blue combination. Okay, so a very, I'm not sure how many of you like the combination of white and blue. I love blue and white combination. So we have paired that with the black color in the sari. So it's like unbelievable combination, you can see, right? Very pretty. And if I can show you the pallu clearly, this is how it is. Okay, so this is a pallu right there, and if I drape it, it would actually look like this. Okay, so you can see the pallu like this. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, very pretty. As I go back, you can see the complete detailing of the sari, right? Very pretty and very unique. Okay, I love this. I love this print right there on the pallu. Very beautiful actually. Unbelievable this is. Okay, so this is sari number 3, and again priced at $45. Okay, a malmal cotton. So this is a blouse piece of the sari. Okay, and when you pair it with the sari, it would look like this. Okay, like this. So it will go well with black as well as a white crop top I am wearing, right? So very good. Okay, and the pallu is like this. Okay, so this is sari number 3. Okay, and this is a blouse piece of that. Okay, this is sari number 4. I don't know how many of you love the July 4th color combinations, right? So this is almost like that. For Labor Day, this is perfect. Okay, I'm telling you, this is perfect for the Labor Day, and it is a very striking combination of blue, white and red. See how pretty it is. Oh my god, I love this. I love this combination. You know, if I could, I would have kept this sari, but either way. So this is sari number 4. Okay, this is the pallu. Very pretty work. So this is the pallu. This is the very beautiful prints on the pallu. See, very beautiful. So this is almost similar to the black that I showed earlier, the sari number 1, but the only difference is the combination of colors, right? So this has white, red, and the body the main color of the body is blue, and in that it was black and white and green. So this is like the perfect color for Labor Day. Okay, so this is the pallu, and this is how the whole sari is. Okay, it's very pretty. I'm telling you, it's very striking color. You can see how strikingly beautiful it is, right? Very beautiful pallu too. Look at the prints on the pallu. Very pretty. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, a red blouse piece, and this is how it would look. Okay, and like I said earlier, right, if you pair it with a white crop top or white blouse, also it would look great. Okay, this is how it is. Okay, and this is sari number 4, and this sari is also uploaded in Etsy. You can go ahead and check it out. The photos are there. The video will also be uploaded in YouTube, and the link will be provided in the Etsy description of the sari. Okay, so you can see all the details of it in the description that I provided in Etsy. Okay, so this is also priced at $45, and this is sari number 4 in Malmal cotton. Okay, this is sari number 5. This is a pure white color Malmal cotton sari. Okay, the body of the sari has beautiful prints in black color, you can see, and the pallu has prints in white color. Okay, so this is a pallu, and if I drape it, it would look like this. Okay, so ignore the the other sari coming through it, but this is how it would look. A very it's a very simple and beautiful sari. There is not much fancy thing to it, but it's very pretty. A very simple white. If you are going for a small meetup with your friends, this is a perfect sari to wear in this summer. Very comfortable, very soft. Okay, so it goes well with the crop top that I'm wearing. You can see, right? So this is sari number 5 in white. Okay, again priced at $45. Okay, so all these saris come with pico fall done. Okay, and we also provide free shipping in our website. Okay, so that is one benefit for you all. You don't have to pay for shipping. Okay, this is the blouse piece of the sari. I'm not sure why it is in this form, because this is how it came with it along with the sari. Okay, so this is a blouse piece, and this is how the sari is. Sari number 5 in white. Okay, it is like I said, it's very simple but beautiful sari. Okay, I hope all of you love the collections that I showed today. They were all pretty Malmal cotton collections, right? So don't forget to check out the Etsy store. Like us in Facebook, follow us in Facebook, follow us in Instagram, subscribe to the YouTube channel, right? And whenever you see any post, any pictures from Vibha by Veena, please don't forget to like and comment, because that will help my business to be discovered by many people, right? So please go ahead and do that. Okay, and also like I said, share it with friends and family, whoever loves saris. And if you bought any sari, don't forget to share your pic with me, and I can actually share it with others in the Facebook, if you don't mind, that is. Okay, so hope you all loved it. Okay, and until next time, bye.